How's it going, everybody? My name is 6 and today I'm going to continue my videos on how to create a button in Java Eclipse. Well, the previous video I made a neutral button. What I mean neutral button is a button that literally doesn't do anything. It's just a button that sits right there but doesn't do anything. This. Okay. So for today's video, as I said before from the previous video, for today's video I'm going to make the button interactive. By I mean interactive, it's more of a when you click this button, it will do something to the program. Like what is an example of it? Like when I click this, there's going to be something output it in the console, or if I click this, some counting will begin or something like that. Okay, so let's click something. So I'm going to start from the beginning. To make a button interactive, all you need to do is add an action listener to the button itself. What I mean an action listener is an action listener. It basically is a list. How can I say this? A listener in your program, so it will listen your action. For example, let's just wait for this. If I click on this, that will be I'm doing an action, and that action is I'm clicking the button. That is an action, and the listener how do I pronounce that? And listener will listen to that, and it will do something based on what you want to do. Okay, so to add an action listener, it's pretty simple, you need to call the button right there and then add action listener. As you see, action listener is actually on the top list of codes that is recommended by the Eclipse itself. Okay, so new action listener, there we go, and then inside this we're going to have this, and now we're going to import the unimplemented methods. We don't need this, okay, so after that, I forgot what I want to do, but not add action listener, and I guess that's pretty much it. To add an action listener, and there's an action perform in there. Basically, now you have the button interacted. Interactive. Like I said, let's just make this out right here. Yo. Wait a minute, what happened? There we go. So if I click this button, damn it, what is it? Oh, it's not responding. Wait, can I? There we go. I barely can move my mouse. So if I click this button, it will output yo in this console. Pretty damn cool, right? Okay, there's very much a lot of things that you can do with button and action listener. It's not just button that you can have with action listener. There's tons of things that you can do with action listener, and not just button like this. To make things a little bit complicated, let's make this button to be something useful. Okay, let's make this button to be like as a get go to count something in the console. So let's just terminate this, and then we're going to make something inside of here. Let's make a for loop. Okay, let's make a for loop. That's a good idea. Let's make a for loop in here for int I equals 0, I smaller than 20, I plus plus. I plus plus after that. Okay, so this is like the simplest form of a for loop. That's something much more complicated than this, and you're going to know it sooner or later. And inside this, let's make an integer integer s containing the value of 5. Okay, so after that, we're going to make a while loop. So while s is smaller than 20, damn it, I entered the wrong place. While s is smaller than 20, I plus plus. I plus plus. Okay, so basically this is like, this code will work right now, but we're going to know if it worked. Let's just use this out. S. Now let's see, let's run this, and let's change this button name into count, and when we click this, it will count. And when I click this, it's very awkward. Oh, of course, that's why I put a quote in there. So the program thinks it's a string, not an integer. So when damn it, the button doesn't work. So when I click this, something is not right. Okay, let me just fix it. Yes, there we go. Something is not right with this. Well, let me just fix this for a while, okay? This is more than 20. Oh my god, I cannot be so stupid. This is supposed to be s, because the one that we're going to while loop is this integer s. Now surely I'm 100% sure that this is going to work. This is going to work. There we go. Like what I said to you. But we placed the system, the output in the wrong place. There we go. Let's do it again. Now it works. But 20. Oh my god. Oh yes, why am I so foolish? There we go. Let's see if this works. Boom, bada bang, bada boom. It finally works. It finally works. Yeah, as you got, there you go. There's a little bit of technical issue in that. I just forgot where to put the print line, and I forgot to put an S instead of an I. Okay, so to prove that that works. Okay, that works 100%. You can trust me. You can do this by your own in your own Eclipse environment. Okay, so I hope you can understand this, and I guess that's it for today's video, and I hope you understand, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you can get it, and you can implement it and you can implement this into your own programs and codes. Okay, so don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And until the next video, which is, I don't know what video is going to be next. And until the next video, happy coding.